So I want to try and get some more drone shots today. Got the sun rising up behind me and the moon is still out, massive, basically full moon at the moment. I'm trying to walk up to the top of the South Downs just outside Brighton. Trying to have a play around with the drone again. I'm new to flying a drone, really enjoying it. It's so muddy. I've only got bloody trainers on. You know when you run too fast and your lungs feel like they're on fire? Whew. I've only walked up a small hill. Temperature gauge in the car read 1 degrees when I parked, and I'm not quite high now. It's got to be like 0 at least, and I'm bloody sweating. Oh. That little ridge in the distance is actually where I want it to be, but I'm a bit worried I'm going to lose seeing the sun come up if I keep walking. So I'm almost at the same height here. Not nice views all the way around. I'm waiting for my new camera bag to arrive this week, so I'm still lugging around the DJI case that comes with the drone. Fits everything in, probably fairly waterproof, but he's small, so anything else goes in my pockets at the moment. I haven't put an ND filter on this morning. Yet again, I'm new to this, so kind of still testing the waters with it. It's pretty hazy and dark at the moment. If it starts to look a bit off in a bit, I might switch it out. Get up in the air first. Hey! I can get a photograph of you with this if you like. Hello, it's alright, I've got 3 dogs at home, it's all good. Do you guys want to go over there and get the sun behind you? Critical low. So after being boiling hot, walking up, I'm absolutely frozen now. The wind properly sharp. There was a family walking up with their dog, just as I was setting off with my drone. So got a couple of photographs and a video that I'm going to email to them later on. I really was just kind of doing some practice really. A couple of sort of loops around me, I don't know professional terms, but you know, kind of panning shots, low shots, high shots, whatever. Just having a go really. The sun's been wonderful. Time to go back home for a coffee, see Maz and the dogs. I mentioned earlier, I'm getting my new camera bag, should be coming this week. I've never had a camera bag before. Watched a lot of reviews, read a lot of stuff, watched a lot of YouTube videos on which bag to get, and I made the decision based on what I feel like suits me best. I will do a review video on that. I haven't received it yet and I feel like I know bloody everything. Yeah, another video coming soon on reviewing my new backpack that I haven't got yet, so maybe I'll need to use it a bit and see how it goes. Tune in next time. Have a good one.